Hey guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial, yes, and it is going to be really fun as I'm going to take up 100 rupees makeup challenge, and I've created this really soft, subtle, glamorous wedding makeup look. And I think this is for the first time that I've done something related to wedding guest makeup or outfit or something like that. And all the products that I've used to create this look falls under 100 rupees, and they come from a good brand. And I really wanted to be very strict about this because while taking up this challenge, I really don't wanted to promote something which is not good for my viewers' skin. So yes, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm all dolled up, these jhumkis, necklace and all of that. The only part which was remaining was makeup. So we're going to start it right now. We'll start with moisturizing, and I have sort of moisturized my entire body around a arm back, but we'll do it again. I don't know why, but I literally enjoy this process of moisturizing my face. And I'm going to use Pond's Light Moisturizer, very apt and suitable for winters. So let's go. And now I'm going to use this Lakme CC Creme. This one is for rupees 105, and I'm going to use it to cover those pigmentation and dark under eyes, around the lips and a bit around forehead. And this is in the shade Beige, and I'm going to use this sponge to kind of blend it out. Last step for the base, I want to apply some rose powder, and the rose powder that I'm going to use is from Lakme. This one is for I think 115 or 120 rupees. In sale you can get it for 85 rupees. I have purchased it for 85 or 95 on Nykaa sale, and this one actually gives that pinkish, that peachish pink finish to the base. That's why I'm using it. And now let's move on to the brows, and I'm going to use this mascara brush. या कोई भी प्राइस का नहीं है, ये आराम से आपको mascara के साथ मिल जाता है. And I'm going to simply brush my brows, not going to do much, just a bit of it. And these days I'm really fond of brushed brows, and these are brushed brows. I think they are really in trend, especially in the west side. Simple brushing with brushing your brows gives that volume and defines your brows like anything. Now we'll create a smudged eye effect with this kajal. This is from Blue Heaven. This is I think for 50 rupees. We are going to make a very thin line close to the lash line, and then we are going to smudge it out with this smudger. So this is the smudged effect that I was talking about. Ekdam on the point. Now it's time for eyeshadow. And under 100 rupees, it was really tough to find something like an eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this glitter cum eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Nude Come. I'm going to use my finger to apply it only. This is kind of sticky sort of, but real good. So this is how it turned out. So cute and glam and easy at the same time. So this one is actually my go-to product. I just keep it in my bag. It works as an eyeshadow, as a glitter, and sometimes as a blush as well. And today I'm going to use this as a blush since it has glitter, so it works both the way. Kind of gives that highlighter wala glam as well as a blush type kavi. So I'm going to use it both the way. And one more thing, this tiny cute little thing is just for 69 rupees. Next up, we have Lakme Insta Liner for 100 rupees, and I'm not going to use this as a liner. Instead, I'm going to use this as a mascara. We have this mascara brush right here, and I'm going to use a lot of liner on this, and then we are going to use it normally as a mascara. Since 100 rupees में no, I can't risk on my lashes to use some cheap mascara क्योंकि available तो थे बहुत सारे, but I can't really risk on my lashes. Okay, now let's do this, and this is a pro jugaad, I should say, to kind of accentuate your lashes without using mascara or without. You have to apply a bit of liner on this, just this way. And lastly, I'm going to use Blue Heaven Elegance Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade 5, and this is for 95 rupees. And what a shade is this! You'll thank me later. Just wait and watch. And that's it. So that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found this really cute, fun makeup challenge helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down more video ideas and suggestions. Also, I'll mention the link to each and every product in the description box. You can check it out from there. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Anisha180_, and please subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. Bye bye.